Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 103 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale partwork. First up, we got the TV show there, How to Hatch a Dinosaur. Great Batman comics, The Penguin, Pain and Prejudice there. Looks quite creepy as a baby, doesn't he? Batman Comics is 19. It says 2019 was a year of epic confrontations there. There's the cover there. Continuation there of the year by year, 2019. Nice bit of artwork again. Look at that. A hell of a lot going on there, isn't there? Beautiful, beautiful examples. You can understand why the comic collectors really do enjoy this, because there is some stunning artwork. Here's the car parts we got today. We got the right hand hinge panel, door trim, etc. So we're going to be fitting the cover on the hinges there, getting that all in place. And then this is ready then for when we put the inner skin on the door, folks. Okay. So that's this week's magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. And when we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly. All right. That's our bits we've got. Going to be popping in the hinge panel with the pair of EM screws. And we'll have then the inner trim ring ready to go in the next issue with the internals of the doors, folks. Okay. It's going to be nice and easy today. Nice and simple little issue. So let's get this open. Grab two of those. Move that over there. Pop a little bit of oil on you in anticipation. Right. Save you for the next issue. So let's lay our door down. And this is literally just to close off them hinges, and it sits on top of these two pegs. Okay? So it will find its own location, like that. And then we're going deep into these little recesses, folks, okay? Just pre-cut that thread, I think. Enough oil on there, so let's pre-cut these, I think, just be on the safe. There you go. Because sometimes you can find on these, you get a bit of paint caught in the hole there, and it just makes locating the screws a little difficult. So by pre-cutting them, I'm just using the oil to carve out the paint. Bit like just re-tapping the thread, basically, is all I'm doing. But it's surprising how much detritus you can pick up. And then again on this one, now that it's in a bit, just line it with a bit of oil. And then that will pick up any of the paint in that one as well. There you go, look at that. Much easier. Right. And you can see how clean that's made that thread. How shiny they both are. It's got rid of all the leftover black paint now. So now we can line them up like so. Just clicks into place. And then we should now let this went in that time. And then see whether you can line that up. And that should now pull that one in. There you go. Perfect. Well, you got there in the end. So that's what you should have now, folks. Nice door with its liner in place and a spare internal trim, folks, okay? So we'll leave that there. That's this issue complete. We're at that stage. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these for yourself and build along with me, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale Batmobile. Also, to help me out, if you can click the little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Help keep the channel going, keeps it alive and growing. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all to be notified of upcoming content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me. Just puts it out there, lets more people come and see me. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.